So today, nandito kami sa Subic, Olongapo because grocery shopping hopping! So, ang pag-grocery hopping namin is actually a family tradition na, di ba? Because, wala lang, gusto lang namin bumili ng mga random imported chocolates and snacks and drinks. And usually, ginagawa namin siya pag Christmas season actually. Pero, medyo napaaga ngayon because my grandma's getting older and she can't walk anymore. So, habang nakakalakad pa siya. So, we'll have 3 stops for today and this is our first stop. We are on the hunt for turtle chips. Dapat sa tatlong grocery makahanap akong kahit isa. Please, 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 please come through.
I'm on the hunt for matcha powder and oat milk and almond milk
And all the milk,
And all
strawberry milk, banana milk.
and coffee lang sila sa kain. Wow!
Ay, hindi pupunin ko yung reps. Pupunin ko yung rep. Gabi ko sabi ko.
Hi guys, so nakatapos lang namin. We came in around 10:30. It's currently almost 12 and no turtle chips in sight. So I'm still hopeful for the 2 other grocery stores. Please, 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 turtle chips! Second stop is Meow.
Pang-rescue. Diba?
Second location done. Medyo malungkot dito. Let's go. Let's leave. Wala ring turtle chips! Third stop. Hold on, partner. I'm overstimulated.
Sa'yo ito eh.
No! Malungkot din yung third stop. Ang lungkot na ng last 2 stops. We didn't remember if to be this sad before. Like dati, sobrang dami pang mga snacks and chips. Ngayon, hi guys! We're here at Mega Station. Part din to ng tradition namin. Just woke up late. This is also part of our tradition. Na every time naggaling kami sa Subic or someplace na malayo. Tapos madadaan dito. Lagi kami mag-stop over and eat at Razon's. Dati, hindi kami ako pala, hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganong food when I was younger. But as we grew up, mas mature na rin yung taste namin. So, kumakain na rin kami ng, yeah, and then Filipino food, like mga chicharong bulaklak and halo-halo. The same gitna spot for so many years. Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog! So, how was your today? Your experience? Nahanap mo ba yung mga... Hindi namin nahanap yung
Kami
gusto
ng
na
matcha powder. Kaya magkatay kami ng matcha.
drink
White choco matcha
here.
sa Oliver's Cafe.
Wala ring turtle chips. But, Oliver's Cafe. Walang turtle chips. So, luhaan kami ngayon. I guess. Tapos ayun, binalik namin yung ibang chichirya kasi akala namin meron dun sa iba. Tapos wala. So, the chicharong bulaklak in question. Dakita na nag-influence na mahinain. Chicharong bulaklak. Ah! Kuhaan ng ayuda tayo. hello!
Hello. Hi, sorry. Hi.
Hi guys, nasa Bulacan na kami and we're about to go home for real, for real. That's the end of the vlog and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next